Look at this. I think it's gonna snow. Look at all these birds. Oh. Oh. Look at all these birds. I think it's gonna snow. It's really cold out here. All these birds out here. There's so many birds. There's like 1 million birds. You see all those little dots? They're birds. Try to sneak. Okay, move over here. Look at this. There's more. That's like a crowd of them. Let me try to move right here. Look at all these birds. I think it's gonna snow because my mom told me when there's a lot of birds, it's gonna snow. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go get them. They're flying away. They flew away. I don't know where. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah, there's one. They're flying everywhere. Look at them go. They're flying. Oh, what are they doing? Look at how them go. Look at them. They're literally going everywhere. Oh, look, they're over here. Look at all the birds over there. Like birds everywhere. Well, there's a bird in that tree. There are birds flying everywhere. Look at that one that just passed me. Look at him go. Oh God, look at him go. You see that? Oh God, look at there. The bird up. You can't see it. That one. One all the way up there. All the birds. Look at all these. So many. See all these? Look. Those are birds. They're everywhere. Oh my God, they came back. Look. There's one right there. There's like a fence right here. Oh my God, they keep going. Oh, they're all in this tree right here. They're sure that, like, it's a super bird. Look at all these birds over there. I can't go over there because that's not my property. Look at all those birds. Oh my God, look, there's some down there. Yo, they're all in this tree right here. Look, there's one looking at me up there. There's birds over there. There's like 1 million birds over there. My yard's over there with that green down there. Who's that? Like birds over there. Look at that. What if I'm gonna try to get them? Well, they flying away. They're flying away. Like, look out. No. Remember this guy. If you see a lot of birds, it's gonna snow. But if there's something dead, it's not gonna snow. Look, they're everywhere. See all these little black dots? Those are birds. They're flying everywhere in this tree. This tree that has this big black dot right there. You see that? That's leopard. Like, look at all those birds, little black dots. No, I never seen this many birds in my life. No, over there, there's like looked like a whole bunch of birds in that other. I think these birds right there. These birds from over there. They moved from there over here. Oh, now they're over here. Look. Look, there's like a party going on over there. All the birds. Look, there's my mom. She has a red beanie on. See her little feet. There she is. Look, there's a van. Kidnapper van. I knew that's a kidnapper van. See, I don't know what to do now. Because this bird's flying over. So I'll probably, you should have watched it like from a year ago. I mean, you might be watching it from a year from now. But you always remember that. There will always, over here, this little spot right here. You know that I was sitting right here. And there was birds everywhere right here. And right there. Look at that, look at that. She has a stack of sticks. Oh, you see all that brown stuff that looks like poop? That's... Why you got so many sticks? Why you got so many sticks? Yeah, there's even more. Yeah, watch this, watch this. Look at all those birds. Look how they go flying. Go. They're all going up there. You're all scared of me. I finally ruled this earth. But they're all in that old tree right there. And I can really climb up there. Oh, there aren't even that many. There was like everybody. Oh, they're coming back down. Look at them. Coming back down now. Oh, no, there. Oh, they live. See, look, there's birds in that tree. There are birds in this tree right here. That tree, there's birds. Hey, the birds are back over here. They're flying over here. When I came over there, they all flew. Look, there's birds in the sky now. Look at all the birds. Look at that one. Look at all these birds. I'm not getting you back. What was that? Oh, I heard like what? Why do I'm gonna jump over the fence. I'm gonna jump over the fence. Well, guys, it looks like I'm gonna jump over the fence. Look at them, they're all going over there now. My bird has something in his mouth. You can't see it though because this camera is dog water. They all came back over there. I can't tell if I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna walk. Oh, watch this. I'm gonna watch this. When my hand comes off, I know my hand's ready. It's cold out here. Watch this. Oh, I wanna see if I can see any bugs in there. Okay, watch this. Yeah, okay, you see this? These fire right here. See, there's a road. I'm about to jump in this. I'm making a video. Cannonball.